the way I roll. Live for bikes is the way I roll. It's the way I roll. It's the way I roll.
Your bike will be making that noise because the cranks are either loose or your chain's too tight. Most of the time it's going to be because the cranks are loose. And the tool you want to be using is a 14mm socket. And you just tighten it up. Okay, so we already tied up the cranks and we figured out that wasn't the problem, so we checked the chain rings and we found one nut that was really loose. So what we grabbed was a 5mm Allen key and we tightened them up and it came out pretty good.
Live for bikes is how I ride when I'm out on them streets. Live for bikes, got the freshest ride with the plushest seats. I can ride down the street with my baby and wave to all the other ladies, cause they all know live for bikes is the way I roll. Live for bikes is the way I roll. It's the way I roll. It's the way I roll. Live for bikes is how I ride when I'm out on them streets. Live for bikes, got the freshest ride with the plushest seats. I can ride down the street with my baby and wave to all the other ladies, cause they all know live for bikes is the way I roll. Live for bikes is the way I roll. It's the way I roll. It's the way I roll. Ride down the street with my baby and wave to all the other ladies, cause they all know live for bikes is the way I roll.